Good morning, guys. My name is Jan from Varsity Unlimited Tutors. I just wanted to highlight a couple of things in terms of the lessons that you might get access to in your second semester for year 2. So this recording is for Bcom financial management students, Bcom financial management students, right? So we are going to have lessons for entrepreneurship and small business. We are going to have lessons for commercial law, for capital budgeting, and for taxation, right? But please take note, we do not do these lessons weekly. So there are no weekly lessons. Just take note of that. There are no weekly lessons. For entrepreneurship and small business management, we are going to send you recordings. So about 4 or 5 recordings during the semester. And then we are going to do some past exam papers with you in terms of revision. We're going to do some past exam papers for you in terms of revision, right? So the same will also apply for our capital budgeting. Capital budgeting, we are going to also do recordings for you. We are also going to do recordings for you, and then we are also going to do revision classes at the end of the semester. So we'll do recordings and then we'll do revision classes at the end of the semester. So that's for our capital budgeting, right? So commercial law, there won't be any lessons for commercial law that we are going to do. And then for taxation, there will only be module recordings, but there won't be any revision classes. We'll do some module recordings that we do for you just to help you with the what do you call it? With the material that you guys are going to work through, but there won't really be too many revision classes. Maybe we just send a recording or 2 of 1 or 2 past exam papers, but we won't really have many revision classes for our taxation 2B. Right. So that's in terms of classes. Then in terms of assignments, I have indicated here the dates when we are going to do the assignment. So we are going to do the assignment in class like we did last semester. So on the 6th, we are going to do entrepreneurship. On the 22nd, we're going to do commercial law. On the 15th, we are going to do capital budgeting. On the 25th, we are going to do taxation 2B. Then in September, we are going to do KCQs on those dates that have been highlighted. So please really take note of those dates. These dates are important. Don't miss them, because we are going to do the assignments on these dates. But please take note, there are no weekly lessons for any of the modules that you're covering. However, for entrepreneurship and small business and for capital budgeting, we will send some recordings and we will do revision classes. Then for taxation 2B, we will only send recordings, but we won't have any live revision classes. The prices have been indicated there. Your total is 2.4 if you're joining for all, or you can just choose the one that you specifically want to join, and then you can make your payments. You can do your payments monthly. You don't need to make the payment all at once. You can do them monthly, and then you will get your assistance. Thank you.